rise till we fall. When we hit the bottom, nothing gon' stop us. Climb to the top and you.
Number 4 here. So this is my mom's friend's car. It's a Perodua Kancil. So she's missing a hubcap, as you can see, and this is one of the original ones here. It is always as faded. So I brought her a hubcap that I would have to put on. It's the exact same Perodua Kancil one. So I would obviously just put it on here. Match that thing, and there it goes. Well, that's quite tight. So yeah, it's a good fit. Yeah, very nice. And also this is the other side, so I cable tied all of the hubcaps in case they fall off. I know, although it doesn't look good. So these are the ones we originally had. Just a tour around the car. So this is the original one, as I say, because it fades its color. And this is the one I just added. Yeah, it was from the Hubcap Gold Mine number 1, I believe. It doesn't look as good. It has a hole and it's kind of like not flat. It has bumps and it's cracked here. Yeah. So anyway, but it still fits. But I know the cable ties ruins everything, but just so that it doesn't make sure that it falls off. So according to the owner's son, they said that a monkey stole a hubcap, which is quite funny. Anyway, next one.